let's move to the chapter 3 to familiar the Spark EA's application desktop. We will try to go through the first two parts within this video: startup page, start page, and all the ribbon menu. So in our mind map, I also put some key links here. I will keep adding more links here. And also in the hierarchy, you can go with this help system, or you can always come to this mind map file to go to the direct the page. So we can have some the quick the explorer. So I put this up and bottom. So if we have here, come to the application desktop, the startup page. Startup page is when you click this box button, is display startup start page. So it's displayed here. Let's remove this. It's the default landing page like this. So let me make this to here. So when we come to the ribbon, it's better we go to the more wider. So let's see here. So our startup page, if we put that on the open project, it looks like this. So you can have that drop down arrow on the right, so this one, or you can go to the start appearance. Let me see, where is the appearance? Here, and then show startup page. What's this one? Maximum. Set the preferred management tab. Here, show. So now is not show, so you can click this show. It's happened here, so we can close the other things. And from here, we can open a file, create new, which we practiced earlier video as well. We can have the cloud connection. So if you host the repository in cloud or the model in cloud, you can get that connection or the server connection. So I may try to set up some the Microsoft SQL Server later on, so we can try this one. When you go to the SQL Server, is go to directly the standard ports for the MS SQL. Also, we can have MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, Postgres. So depending on which the SQL or database you are going to connect, and also custom data source to display the data link property. So this one, you can have some more type of this connection through this OLE the connection or native client for SQL Server, and make your self-built connection string, and also URL. If you click this, the connection string dialog display, tap and paste the server connection string. So this is the same if you use this in the manage project dialog. So like this, so you can go to the different project, you can connect to here, connection string, so same. And the manage project is here. Yeah, during the past videos, we create some sample the architecture, project sample, trial repo, and the last video we did is a quick tutorial. So you have those the project file, the model's name, and the pinned repository list allow model who frequently use or particular. So let me see how to pin. Open the selected project. You can also right click Where is the pin? Pin list show up to 10. Local file, show default. Those are the reasons. Always provide access to those. However, other users such as consumer, multi-tenancy, large number, in this scenario, need to drop off and the reason. Pinned so they can open the select project, launch the select project in a new, if the project access via a connection string. Yeah, we can hide those. So those are the recent project, and we can pin this connection here. So when I pin this, is disappear. So let me open this. It's here. It's opened like here, and then let me close. Oh, let me see how to close this. Model, browser, close project. When I pin, show up to 10 that you have opened and you have pinned, so they remain available for selection across all registered. So here, recent model is here and the pinned model is here. So I can, but how I can unpin this? That is the interesting part. So here I cannot unpin. Maximum show quick access bar. Below, customize toolbars. Remove the selected project from the list, which remove the link to the project, not the project file. The link is not returned to this name by override. Quit to save pending change. So here is the close. Okay, so let's move to those ribbons. And before that is how to remove link to recent project. Open project or start appearance. View show startup recent. Recent is here. Remove a project from the managed. So if I here remove selection from list, so trial, then that is not here. So but if I put in here recent used, configure watched, start over, okay. Remove project hierarchy, hyperlink from startup page. So that's what I have done. And if I put in open, here also removed. And coming to the ribbon one by one, so searching for item in the Visual Studio Visual Style, click on the find here. Is this the application icon button? So they have some contextual ribbon moving between ribbon. So we have those. If we let me press ALT, then you see this ALTM is coming to simulate, ALTZ is coming to specialist. So that is AMTM. Then we got the sub layer. So let me go to the ALTZ. Then continue JavaScript is ALTJS. So it's coming to here. So those are these ALT keys, the shortcut. Customize. We can always customize the ribbon. So we can use workspace layout. You can see my ribbon set on the workspace. So start, O window, workspace, workspace 2. Let me see, workspace 2, workspace, my ribbon set here. And that is system default is this one. And you can see here, by default is all checked. And you cannot, let me see, I cannot change that, but I can do this one, create. This is a technology, my workspace, my ribbon, system default. Let me see, CLT cell. Then through this one, now I can deselect something, like as I come into design, I don't want a dictionary. So let me apply this, and I use this one. So if I go to here, is explore package diagram element. Let me see. Yeah, we have the first four. If I change to this, apply, close. Where is the dictionary? Oh, it's here. So I think this one is the dictionary. Oh, elements. No, let me find this. Is this the applied? Workspace, my ribbon site. Oh, I should go to here and default, apply, and remove my. It's not back. Let me see here. System default, dictionary is here. Default is here, reset all, apply, close. Oh yeah, the reset dictionary is back here. And we can minimize, let me see, on occasionally the ribbon. To have this, you can minimize ribbon. The ribbon type will stay. Right click on the ribbon bar, minimize the ribbon. And also you can click this and unclick the minimum, hide, right click background, select minimum text. Okay, so hide text. Okay, so then file management, we can go to this one, click this and the new. So file management is just a new project or open project. So we already did that, and reload the project. So let me open one. So let's have this one. We already opened that. Once you open, you can do this reload. Reload the current project. So use this in a multi-user environment to refresh. Because I'm just the single user, my reload doesn't have create any difference. But if your colleague open this in this multi-user mode, some colleague already changed in their mind, then you can refresh through this way. Reload means refresh. Close, save as, print. printer setup. So do we have the printer preview? No. But I wonder is what are the print they are doing. Let me print to our PDF to see what's this print. Just the print setup. They cannot do the print, so maybe I need to select one model and the diagram, then we can have the print. Yep, you can see the print preview. Then if I click close this, it close the print preview. And if you switch to our list, shall I print? Always print the diagram which you are opened. So let me see here. This is my diagram. Let me print preview. It's here. Print to PDF. They already have that. So, recent model search. Search type the name you can want to locate. So that is in this icon. Then we move to next is, let me go to next. Start. Explore. So search and the portal. So here, one is the search model. You can search file, and also some diagram package. It's coming to the search window. You can close that. And the portal have the workspace perspective. Yeah, workspace. Then you can have the toolbars. Let me close those. And if I open the workspace, then you can have all these in the right. That is the portal, perspective, workspace, my workspace, design. Simulating. So that's also mapping to certain days ribbon window. Extend. Okay, so extend is listed as MDG technology currently active in your model. So this you can have some more understanding. So like it's our ArcGIS. So do we have this? Let me see the requirements. ArcGIS. Let me just make any parts. So we made some legend. Import GIS site coordinate system. And execute. Analyzer for the simulation or debugger. So and show toolbars. So I have closed some part, but if I want to show element, is here. So that I can use this element. So different toolbars. So you can choose project tool diagram. And if I put it, those are the diagram toolbar. So that's on the first part, search. And later on is we have this start and the O window is here. We have tried before. Appearance, you can see here. And property design from here. And if you want to find toolbar, it's from the design. you have layout, diagram, but toolbar is important. If you are in your diagram, you need to find some the linkage that you can make that working. So, but depending on the syntax or the rules you will use during this toolbar. Collaborate allow any number of people to work on models. So collaborate is you can chat, you can discuss, you can review, and make the whole diagram. Personal, we can see here. So personal, my diary, you can put here. So you and the working set, my diagram, my package, locate default package, and my Kanban, and help. Help, we mentioned that already. So then here is the more detail on each the sub ribbon. So we can skip those and let's see start. And then we go to the next one, design. Design, we have our package, diagram, element, and the dictionary. Dictionary provide option to check spelling, so that is interest. And then this element is give you a trace. This traceability is important from this element. It give you our relation composed of these two. So, and then that is the composites. So that's the two direction relations. But if I click this one, it's just no linkage to others, but it's coming from the requirements A. So, and this one, we just add a legend. So this element give you the way to trace. And this one, the decision tool. So find a similar decision table. So those are the things we haven't yet tried. But element diagram part, we already have that. Is here you don't see the property, but if you click the diagram, you can see show property. Then these are this diagram property. But if you want to edit those property, you can also edit that from the property tab. So test there, like I just changed name. So it's changing here. So that's the design part, and that will also have some the more detail for those. Let's go to the layout. Layout has the diagram layout, the style layout, alignment. So if I choose this tool and I want to align that in the left, so or in the middle, or here. So those are the things you can do. The alignment. Where is the alignment in the middle? Even space. And then how to make that in the middle, in the left, and make, oh, here is the middle. And here you see the save. It's the diagram menu, so you can have some this context. So when you do some change, this will active, and then you can undo, redo. So appearance, this give you some more the properties. So you can change this. Here is go to this hand drawing, or you can change that to the whiteboard. Whiteboard is not so many colors or standard. So standard is not like those, but standard can also work with whiteboard. So hand, standard, okay. And the style, is just for the words. So like I want to have the different font, and you give the font has the different color, this view. So those are the things are the quite direct, and the tool, filter, pen, zoom. So you can make this move, diagram layout. So if I go to the box layout, or I go to the circled layout, ellipse, so that is you can have a view. So box is just is like our the table, and auto root, pen page. So you can make those different views. So auto refresh. Let me see is here. So we can do this auto refresh. That is based on the seconds. I think multiple people gave inputs which are assisting disable or every 15 minutes. So we will auto refresh this. Let me change this and to see is auto refreshed. Pause and edit. So if I delete that, then you can start to do this change. So those are the layout. And when we go to the develop, we haven't done this too much. So here we have the database tool, so DB modeling. It provides facility to import existing project from other tools. So we can import this current open is not in this package, continue to into the package. So we can load, only include the object from schema, and generate the DDL file for the other data modeling. And we also can have the schema modeling. You can access facility to import the XSD. So if we have the XSD here from a composer schema file, so XSD file, O is a RDF file. So do I have but this legacy RDF. So if I find this, I have some ontology file. I don't know whether this can load some RDF. Looks like it's not work on the RDF. Let me see here. Yep, they cannot look at normal RDF. I need to export that to the schema, so then that should be fine. And you can open XDS, SD import, WSFDL, and export the current select model components. So let me go to the select model. So to export that to our XSD file, generate also for the child. Then this we can view the schema what are generated. So let me just type here XSD export. So it's the schema file. Generate. So you can see here we build those. And also we can create from pattern edit behavior for different source code. So those are, I think, is we may have more the exercise later on for this coding part. And then that's the develop part. And the simulate, also something new to us, is the dynamic simulation. We don't have executed states here, so simulate, open simulate window is like here. Oh yeah, that is our schema actually. We export it, but let's close the schema and back to here. So simulating is dynamic bring together a range of tools for working with behavioral model simulating. So we will try to work on something like the perspective behavior. So simulating. So we all simulating. So if we go to here, let me go to the create from pattern. So all simulating, dynamic simulating. So calculator, digital clock. So if we have this use case digital clock, so let's have this one. This is our clock. User interface. This is the interface and how we can trigger user interface. Yeah, you can see here. If this is a behavior, the modeling, now they can use your the dynamic the user interface and try to read your signals, trigger events that make this dynamically simulate. And you can set, you can have mode. So that's the different. And you can set this. So those are the simulating. Let's see how I can stop. So here you can review those events and the system outputs. The script, no. So then I can stop simulating. So those, if we have the dynamic view, but in our other repository building for enterprise architecture, we don't have so the many ways to do this. So that is the simulate is interesting. We can run this as well. And then we can go to the next one, the execute. Execute is provide a comprehensive facility for running unit of code and analyze how code execution checking. So if we have a certain code, then we can make some the execution together. So that is depending on how we made our later the model practice. So I will not go to detail for those. And you can see here you have the source control. You can go to the merge of your code, and then you can run this. And construct, Ribbon present the tool and the facilities for visualizing and managing tasks and the resources needed to construct our system from the allocating of human resource to task. So that is the like some project management, resource management, and you can make the open mic. So we don't have this project security to define. But when we have our resource arrangements, then we can starting to have these the construct parts working. So those we can more specify the later. So specialize the ribbon, enable access add-in. So we have system integration here, different script here, and manage technology. So those are the technology. So we have enabled within our this installation, and those are something is in this portal. Well, we already have some parts. Like here, I think it's connector, simulating, code engineering, managing add-in. So we only have one add-in for now. And the next one is the publish. So that is for the repo. We can generate documentation. In very early video, we also generate some text-based or Word documents documentation. And you can generate standard HTML repo and publish to this Joomla. I haven't tested that, but for this the HTML repo, if you just generate those, and that will be easier for you to put into your web server. So if I put here and I generate the model, so where is the file? Title, package, output here. So let me just put that in download. And file is the title, model. So all those glossary, so let's put all of them, then generate. Then it's not automatically open. So, but we can go to here to have a look. So you see here is generated in the root. So if I go to the index, let's see, this is our model, and we have our package, and we have our first diagram. So if we build some the models, it will be easier for you to generate that output. So that is the publish part. And then that's let me close this one. And you can also test others, publish as, print. So print preview, import or export package, import from the different technologies. And last but not least is the settings. We have security setting, model setting, reference data setting, so UML type, for example. So you have all those settings that you can customize, and also version control, so project version control. So we can make this source or CVCs, make that link to the version control mechanism, and the user tool is ODBC source system information. So here also coming to your PC's system information. And last, I think is we have one more, specify. So specify is something, the level numbering. So it's not so much things we should mention that now. And then this customize ribbon, so you can go to the, we already mentioned this my ribbon. You can create your own set, then you can disable something, then make that available. So that is the part is for the ribbon. So I hope we have quickly go through the ribbon part, and from next video we go to this following section. Thank you for watching for this part of the application desktop.